Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add new sticker in WordPress, or to WordPress, that's better wording. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins and just click add a new plugin and right here DT. And you're gonna see it here DT new sticker. So let's install it and let's activate the plugin. Now right here you're gonna see it here. And you want to add a new ticker, and let's just add a title of news are here. You're gonna select short code or ticker text, contact here. Hey everybody, did you know that you are a god playing a game that you are not? You can also add a URL here if you want. Also, you can force line breaks. And when you got it, let's just click, you can click publish. Okay. Now, I will just copy the code and let's test it out. I will go to pages. I will open a page here. I will delete this. HTML. I don't know if this is going to work, probably not, but we will see. Ah, it's working. Woo. Hey everybody, did you know that you are a god playing a game that you are not? That you are a put-on presenting that you are not a god, as Alan Watts would say. So that's it. Thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.